What will you do if you got jealous to someone who talks to your partner? When jealousy surfaces because another person is speaking with your partner, the first step is to acknowledge the feeling rather than suppress or deny it. Recognize that jealousy signals an underlying insecurity or fear of loss, and accepting it as a natural emotional cue allows you to address the root cause instead of reacting impulsively. Next, perform a quick reality check. Evaluate whether the interaction truly threatens your relationship or if it is merely a benign conversation. This mental audit helps separate facts from imagination, reducing the intensity of the emotion. After grounding yourself, shift focus internal self-regulation. Practice breathing techniques or a brief mindful pause to calm psychological arousal, which often magnifies jealous thoughts. Then engage in constructive self-talk, reminding yourself worth, the partner's commitment, and past evidence of trust. Finally, decide whether to communicate with your partner if the jealousy is persistent or stems from pattern of behavior. An open, non-accusatory conversation can clarify boundaries and reinforce mutual understanding. If the feeling is occasional and manageable, challenge it into personal growth, strengthening confidence, pursuing interests, and cultivating a secure sense of self. This approach transforms jealousy from a destructive force into an opportunity for deeper insight and relational maturity.